The timeframe for this project is composed of 5 main sections: starting up, construction, operation, maintenance, and decommission. The main funding of the structure will be from investors. The main investor will be the local government with a majority stake in the utility to raise cost-effective debt. Other investors will be from private companies through mixed debt and equity. This is to focus our core values on democratic leadership. The first year of the project will be dedicated to gathering investors and developing the workforce. This is necessary to both provide funding for the project while creating an on-board workforce to carry out the building of the plants. R&D plans for the reactors are managed by the US government, as mentioned by the World Nuclear Association, and private investors will contribute to additional structures from either financing or the implementation of their company's specialized equipment they manufacture. This is the focus on the democratical leadership style, in which all shareholders make a collective effort to advance the project. Some funding from the EBRD will be used to develop education centers around Katowice. This is to educate and train members to become part of the workforce when the plant is operational. The second stage, the construction of the plant, will begin once 10 billion in equity has been raised. The build is predicted to take over 5 years. However, with R&D from the US government, the modernized equipment and facilities should fast the implementation build time to 5 years. Stage 3 will be when the plant is operational. Costs to run the plant are relatively low, as seen in Figure 4. Here, the discount factor for a nuclear plant correlates greatly with the costs, making production of energy very cheap compared to how much the plant can output on a daily basis. Stage 4 is the maintenance stage of the structure, as the average lifespan for old plants are 20 to 40 years. However, this modernized plant has a predicted lifespan of 70 to 80 years. However, every 1.5 years, there will need to be an assessment which costs £5,000 to inspect the overall quality. The final stage is decommission. This takes around 10 to 20 years to appropriately dispose of materials and declare the site hazard-free, and will cost an average of 1.22 million, as quoted by the World Nuclear Association.